Hello everybody, I am Valsala Kaladharan. In the class plus 1 in the first chapter Animal Kingdom. That is basis of classification. Under basis of classification comes levels of organization, symmetry, diploblastic and triploblastic organization, coelom, segmentation and notochord. So first one, levels of organization. Under levels of organization comes cellular level of organization, tissue level of organization, organ level of organization and organ system level of organization. So first one, cellular level of organization. In this type, cells will be arranged as cell aggregates. That means cells will be performing all the functions of the body. Example, porifera. Porifera meaning pore bearing animals. Pores will be there. Example, next comes tissue level of organization. That means cells are grouped together or organized for tissues. Example, Coelenterata, Ctenophora. Coelenterata example, Hydra you have studied in 9th standard. Next comes organ level of organization. In the case of organ level of organization, tissues are organized to form an organ. Example, platyhelminthes. Platy meaning flat, helminth meaning verb. Next comes organ system level of organization. That means organs are grouped together to form organ system. In human being, we have respiratory system, digestive system, circulatory system, excretory system, etc. So, if we take digestive system or alimentary canal, that means it will be having so many organs. We know alimentary canal start with mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. That means so many organs are grouped. Then, in the case of digestive system, two types are there. Incomplete digestive system and complete digestive system. In human being, we have complete digestive system. That means the alimentary canal will be having two separate openings, mouth and anus. Whereas in the case of incomplete digestive system, only one opening will be there and that will be serving as both mouth and anus. Example for incomplete digestive system, platyhelminthes, and complete digestive system, Aschelminthes to Chordata. Aschelminthes to Chordata, all the phylum are Aschelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata and Chordata. So, next one, circulatory system. In that case also, there are two types. Open circulatory system and closed circulatory system. Closed circulatory system meaning when the heart pumps blood, blood will be flowing through the blood vessels. That means arteries, veins, capillaries, etc. In the case of open circulatory system, blood will be flowing through the sinuses, that means spaces. That means it will be flowing over the tissues and the cells, or you can say the cells and tissues are bathed by the blood. That is open circulatory system. Example for open circulatory system, Arthropoda, non-cephalopoda mollusk, Hemichordata and tunicates. Next, example for closed circulatory system, Annelida, cephalopoda mollusk, Chordata. Examples NCERT illa adu extra point aanu. Ini adutha oru extra point, first phylum with bilateral symmetry platyhelminthes aanu. Adu pinne paranjara. Adutha class il paranjara. Okay. Thank you very much.